while someone goes into the Salvation Army, I'm going to be going into its Dick's Sporting Goods
outlet.
A retail outlet.
Yeah, it's like an outlet.
And taking advantage there because I find really good clothing on sale. It's obvious because the lot is completely full right now on Black Friday.
It's going to be long lines, I'm sure. Hopefully to get some Christmas items. And then I'm going to look to see what I can flip for a profit over in the Salvation Army. And then I'm going to run over and do some shopping over at that Going Gone too.
Gift shopping.
I'm not sure if there's going to be a cart inside, so I'm going to grab one of these ones in the outside. And in I go.
Green tags are 50% off, and it's 50% off of all clothing.
That is such a cute way to display a set of dishes. Okay, I'm just looking at all of these shelves. They always decorate really nicely. And out of the corner of my eye, I saw these. These are Longaberger. 2 for $10. They're gonna live in the cart for a minute. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them though. Those are really pretty. $6.99. So green tags are, oh, this is Treasure Craft. So green tags are half off. I was not expecting that to be Treasure Craft. Lots of crazy. Oops, sorry, I was pointing the camera down. They're really pretty. What does that say? Royal something. Hand painted. Let me see if I can get that to focus. There's 3 of them in there. This looks cute. Southern patio. So it's modern, but it's a cactus planter. $2.99. There's like a nativity with the angel. That's really pretty. Almost lost my balance. Oh, those are pretty damaged. Thompson. Cute little dog stocking hanger, but he's been repaired. Kind of like in this 3D fruit thing. It's chipped though. 3D something plates for decorative use only. Look at the strawberry one.
Now I'm in the holiday aisle. On the one side is fall and Halloween, and on the other side it is all Christmas.
I think I have found and sold this deviled eggs plate before. Yes, E&R. Yes, I have. I knew that looked familiar. That's a cute one too. Let's see. All right, big giant kind of crack down the middle of that one. No makers. That's pretty cute though. I'm not gonna get this though. It sells for about $10 to $12. That's an awesome cat mug. It's so funny. It's $2.99 and it probably sells for about $10 or $12, the same as the deviled egg plate, but I would rather get this than that. I'm gonna think about it. Oh, was like, what is this? It's a ghost this way and a mug that way. $1.99. It's $4.99. I just looked on the bottom of it and it's IKEA. I'm trying not to knock anything else over. Very simplistic teapot. Okay, I'm going to be looking for any type of needlework in this aisle or anything else that seems interesting. So I saw this. This is all you need is love and a dog. That is so cute. That's awesome. Home is where the adventure begins. Happy Halloween. And then it says, go ahead and ask me about my grand cat. Ooh, this looks like, oh, this is very lightweight. Looks like mass produced. Oh, there's definitely sewn and like glued on there, maybe sewn on there. I don't know. It's like an embroidery machine, maybe machine made. So these look vintage. Let's see what this is. This is wood. 4 for $5. Yeah, these are just simple wood pictures on a frame. I kind of like them. Very simplistic. You just hang them up on a nail. So I'm kind of short, so I keep having to go up on my tippy toes. Look at this. Gotta bring it down so I can see it. Oh, that is neat. I gotta look it over a little bit more. But I think that is definitely going in the cart for $3.99. I was seeing these all over in lots of thrift stores, but here they are again. Someone's entire collection. They certainly are cute though. Remember to be your own hero. Alright, look at these. 2 teapots, one smaller. It's like your individual teapot and one you can share. Let's see who makes these. And the price tag is covering up. It says 2 for $15. I don't know who makes them. These are cute. That's from Denmark. Well, it says Denmark. D-A-N-M-A-R-K. Put this down and see if I can get. Oh, Chandler. I don't know. They look a little modern. And I'm not so sure about that price. It looks vintage, but I'm not a fan of the colors. But look at this. This feels and looks like it was all hand painted. They must have took just plain glass pieces and decorated them themselves. Found some more corn pieces, but I don't know if they're the Shawnee pottery or not. They're not marked. So I've never seen this before, but that says Hager on it. And then it says natural stone. There's 2 of them. $8.99. So I did just look it up, and it looks like they sell for around $20. They are super heavy, and I'm not going to pick them up today. Oh, she's returning the ghost mug.
Because there's too many chips.
She found chips.
Yep.
That's why I need her here. And she's gonna let me know if I can keep this. She helps me with my thrifting. So I was just looking at this, but I see it's all chipped up, but it is so cute. And it is made by False Craft though. That's a different thrift store's sticker on there. Something doesn't belong in this aisle. Ironically, that is my favorite author. I read that one. I've not read any of the Odd Brother series though. So I'm over where the planters are. I see a couple of things interesting. This is neat. Yep, Yankee candle with its underplate. I do like picking these up. Sometimes they're quick sellers and sometimes they're not. I don't see a price on this. Ah, there it is. $2.99. I also want to take a look at this. This is really cool. Made in China. There's another cool one back there. Something inside that one. That looks like a Halloween one. Oh, TJ Maxx.
Did you find me some good ones? Ooh. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh.
It's like Halloween. I think I might get that. That is Yankee candle.
No.
Oh my goodness! Really?
Sometimes you have to be quick.
Oh, she is so quick to find those. Of course, I'm looking through my camera. She's looking right at the object. Anything here interesting to you?
Not too much. This is all a little on the basic side.
What about the ones with the...
No. Oh gosh.
You don't like that one?
No, that's like a one day you like it.
This is Southern Living. I had it and Daddy broke it.
How did he break it?
Accidentally knocked it off
Oh,
of the jelly cupboard.
Oh yeah.
I still have my yellow one though. So she looked this over and right away she saw it's chipped up. She's going to put that back for me. She likes these, so I have approval. I got approval to keep these.
I'm an old soul, so right up my alley.
Yeah, she's an old soul. I'm going to be putting these back. I'm so sad. $10. I knew that was going to be too much for these because these are the small ones. They only sell for about $12.
I also put back the cat mug.
Beautiful little teacup, but missing its handle.
There's supposed to be 5 of them, Mom. Where'd you find this? There's supposed to be 5.
Oh, there was only 4 there. The 4 panels is fine though.
Why me?
I was trying to get you as you were putting your seatbelt on. So we all went our separate ways, and she got a few items for Christmas presents. And I only found, well, it's a set of 4, but 1 item to flip for a profit.
She had a few items, but I'm like, not good ones or slightly damaged. So I took them out of the cart.
Yeah, she takes everything out of my cart and puts it back.
I leave the good stuff.
I almost kept the cat mug. The ghost mug, was damaged, so that went back. And same with that other picture. And then I did get the 4 panels. They're all different. They're on wood.
Now these I love. So really cute.
Yeah, they're really cute. And that was only $5. So that's my total spend, and that's my haul. Now we are going to go to Costco, I think, and I'm starving, so I have to get some food at some point.
Here is a better look at my haul from the Salvation Army. It's these 4 wooden pitchers that all match. So I paid $4.99 for the 4 of them. And I don't know how much I can get for them. I might be in that $18 to $22 range, maybe $25 for the set. I just thought they were so pretty. I am back home from the Thanksgiving weekend, and yes, I still have my Army+HAUL voice, but I have lots of sales. I'm going to start with Poshmark. I sold this jacket right here. I hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving Day dinners and football if you like to watch football. This is White House Black Market. I got this in Ohio. I paid $10 for it, and I took an offer on Poshmark for $30 plus shipping. Back underneath here, my shelf is so dark, it's so hard to see, but I did sell something, and I'm going to get it out so we can see it better, and I'll tell you all about it. I got this a while ago. It is made by Applause. It's a little stuffed rocking horse on wooden rockers. And that's painted with the little flowers on there. It kind of gives that Christmas vibe. Yeah, it's pretty much Christmas. Although this isn't like a Christmas pattern, but having the little jingle bell there with the ribbon. I paid $1.49 for the little horsey. And I sold it for $16.80 plus shipping on Etsy. I sold one of the Pyrex bowls. I have them sitting in this box, and I might actually use this box or one just like it to ship the bowl that sold. It's the white one. This Pyrex bowl, along with the 2 others, had been sitting in my death pile forever because I was thinking I might find the other bowl and have like a set of 4 and just sell it as one set. And then I was like, what am I doing? Why not just list them up and sell them separately? So that's what I did. I got these really cheaply at a garage sale. So my cost of goods on this one bowl is 67 cents. And I sold it for $47.99 plus shipping on eBay. I have another sold on eBay, and it's in the cupboard here. I sold these 2 metal pine cones. They're like cast iron. They're candle holders or tea light holders, votive holders. I paid $9.98 for the pair, and I sold them for $30.39 plus shipping on eBay. I have another sale on eBay, and it just happens to be these shoes right here. I got these Clarks at the bins. That's always a good brand to pick up. I paid $2.24 because it's by weight, and I sold these for $14.20 plus shipping. I sold a few more items over Thanksgiving holiday, but I will share them on my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.